Hey there, this is Joe Jonart, Joe Your Mortgage Pro. We're getting a few more calls and some inquiries about bridge loans. Might be that time to just bring it up real quick. We are offering that. And so again, my name is Joe Jonart, area manager here for Top Flight Financial. Just going to do a quick summary on what it is to get a bridge loan or how we do it. Just to remind you, we're a direct lender. We specialize in a lot of bank turndowns. We do get some of those from a few of those bigger lenders out there, or banks that don't want to touch certain things, or they just don't know how to do it, and that's okay. You know, everyone wants to do the 800 credit score with 30% down, and we'll do that stuff too, but we'll also touch a lot of the other stuff. So again, everything that we're going to discuss here is not about whether you're qualified or not. Each individual person will depend on their particular circumstance and situation. I do hold several licenses in different states, so depending on what state you're licensed in, I may or may not be able to help you personally, but I do have someone at the company that's licensed in almost every state, and we can refer that out. All right, so let's get going here. So the agenda I'm going to cover real quick is, what is a bridge loan? Maybe some of you know what it is, maybe some of you don't. A little bit about how the program works, what bridge loans can help home buyers with, and how you might get a competitive advantage with that, and just some basic guidelines. Again, I'm not going to go through the entire guidelines, but and then any questions and answers at the end, or maybe I'll cut the recording off before that. Okay, here we go. So what is a bridge loan? Well, it's like a short term. On this particular one, it's going to be 12 months or less, 1 year. And it's really designed to help you achieve cash out of your existing property. So we're going to take the equity out of that, and we're going to use that as a down payment on the next house. Maybe you're upsizing, maybe you're downsizing, whatever the case may be. We can do it on investment as well. It's just a shorter timeline on an investment property, and we'll get to that later in the slides here. But again, it's just designed so you don't have to try to qualify with both properties, or sell the home, take the proceeds, and then wait to close and then go make an offer. It'll allow you some flexibility and hopefully give you some better options. Okay, so the bridge loan allows a borrower, like we mentioned, or borrowers, to make an offer to buy another property without having to depart the property under contract. Therefore, the borrower or buyer can make what we would call a non-contingent offer. Otherwise, you have to qualify with both payments. A lot of times people don't even think about this thing. They just think that they can close and then close. It just kind of makes me laugh. The bridge loan will pay off the existing lien or pay off debts, which could help you qualify for the next property as well. There's all kinds of advantages there. Again, every person's situation is completely different. There are no monthly payments due on the bridge loan. It's just one single kind of what we'd call a balloon payment as soon as your property is sold. So you will sign something that says you are intending to sell the property. That's what this program is designed for. Again, in full disclosure, these aren't the cheapest options, but it definitely will give you some great flexibility. So if it is something that you're considering, we'd love to help you with that. Okay, so the bridge loan in action. The thing that it can help you, and again, I'm just going to read these real quick. It can help you find the right home that tops the list with the most difficult steps in the home buying process. It's a great solution for borrowers who need to access the equity of their current home to be able to purchase on their new home, or the borrower wants to wait to get the best price possible for their departure residence. Maybe it's just not the ideal time to sell right now, but you found your particular property. These products are ideally suited for people who are looking to upgrade to a bigger home but haven't yet sold their current home. Or again, I would say you could also be downsizing and you just need to take the equity from one to be able to purchase the next property, or if you're moving from one state to another or a different area. It really can provide a great solution in a competitive housing market. It's not for everyone. Every person's situation is completely different. So yeah, there you go. Hopefully those are some bridge loan basics. Part of the guidelines is if you're purchasing an owner-occupied property, you can, we'll give you 1 year, 12 months. If it's an investment property, you're going to get 6 months. you will have to sign the affidavit indicating that you are planning to sell the property. So again, we don't want any fraudulent transactions here. This is designed for a specific purpose, and if you're intending to do it for that purpose, then this is what it would be made for. $250,000 to $2 million loan amount, but there are exceptions. So if you have a particular situation, again, reach out. We'd love to help you and see if we can make that work. The other thing is when we are funding the bridge loan, we will always have to fund the second loan, meaning the loan that you're going to make on the new property, and that just gives us complete control and really is designed to, minimize the risk, since we can control the entire thing. Again, thank you for tuning in. This is Joe, your mortgage pro, Joe Jonart, right here in Linville, Washington, servicing the United States. And reach out if you need some help on a bridge loan. All right, take care. Bye.